Getting another breaking update. We're learning that RBI has kept the repo rates unchanged. They've kept the repo rates unchanged at 5.25%. On that, let me go across to my colleague Hina, who's been tracking all the details. Hina, explain to us, what does this mean? RBI, we're learning, has kept the repo rates unchanged at 5.25%.
That's right, Akanksha. Today was the first decision that we got off the Monetary Policy Committee meeting of this financial year that started on 1st of April, and amid the ongoing war, the RBI is in a wait-and-watch mode. Even though Trump has announced a ceasefire for 2 weeks, but the kind of damage this war has already caused on, the entire global economy, that has kept central bank in India quite concerned. And this is the reason why unanimously the members decided to keep the repo rate unchanged at 5.25%. Simply put, this means that our EMIs are not going to change. Neither they will go up nor they will come down. Repo rate is essentially the rate at which banks are given money by the RBI. So if for banks the money is not going to get expensive or cheaper, for us also nothing really changes. So that's point number one. Apart from that, the RBI has also given us an indication of how our economic growth is going to be going forward. There are a lot of pressures that our economy is facing because of what's happening around the world, and the biggest culprit here is the crude oil. The crude oil prices have risen quite sharply. As a result, our inflation is a cause of concern for the next financial year, for the current financial year that we are in right now. The retail inflation projection has gone up, and at the same time, our GDP growth is expected to be around 6.9%. So a cautious commentary there coming in from the Reserve Bank of India governor, suggesting that what's happening around the world is going to have a direct impact on our economy. Back to you.
Absolutely. Reserve Bank of India clearly in wait and watch mode. Thanks so much, Hina, for getting us all those details and putting that into perspective. With this, we're taking a very short break. More news and updates on the other side.